Hello, welcome to the speaking portion of your weekly mock exam. To start with, I'll be asking you certain questions to know you better. So, may I know your full name please?
My full name is Suneet Pal Singh.
And how may I address you?
You may address me from my first name, Suneet.
Okay Suneet, where do you come from?
I come from a locality named Tagore Nagar from city of Saints, Hoshiarpur.
Alright, can you tell me something more about your hometown?
My hometown is Hoshiarpur. It is termed as City of Saints, but according to me, it is a city of greenery, as it lies in the foothills of Shivaliks, and also the mountains start at a distance of not more than 7 to 8 kilometers. It has a population of about 2 lakh people, and it is in the area of 200 square kilometers.
Suneet, let's consider a hypothetical situation that you are the mayor of your city. What all changes would you like to make in your hometown?
If I were the mayor of my city, I would first of all focus on the cleanliness of my city, and also I would make my city safest for the women to go even in the midnights. And also I would like to plant more trees, as I already told you it is the city known for its greenery, and hence I would like to maintain it.
For the second part of the test, you'll get a cue card on which you'll have to speak for 2 minutes. I'll also give you a minute for you to prepare this cue card. I'll also provide you a pen and a paper for you to use and write down your ideas on this. Fine? So this is your cue card and you have a minute to prepare. Okay Suneet, your time's up. Let's begin.
I'm a wanderlust, and also I love to visit different places, especially the places that are related to the history of India. Last month in June, I visited Leh-Ladakh with my family, and also when I went there, I saw the market, and there were many specimens and artifacts of that particular place that were to be sold there. And also I am very fond of collecting different kinds of keychains, so I bought keychains of boats that were used there in the ancient times.
For the third part of the test, I'll be asking you certain questions related to your cue card. What souvenirs people buy from tourist attractions?
People mostly go for cheap things such as keychains, t-shirts or caps, because firstly they are very easy to handle, and secondly they are not worth spending much money on them.
And why do people like to take photos while traveling?
People like to take photos while traveling so that they may revive their old memories whenever they open their gallery, and also they may not forget about the good times, such as our mind cannot remember everything that we have witnessed, but the photos help us to do that.
That's very good. And is it good that locals sell things to tourists?
Yes, it is very good for the locals to sell tourists the artisans they've made, because firstly it helps the tourism to grow, and also it helps them to get their daily food.
Thank you. So this is how we conduct our mock interviews to provide our students a real-time experience for the actual interview.